How to make Gamepass and please donate. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Roblox and click on Create at the top. After you have clicked on Create at the top, you will find this kind of screen pop up, which is your creation of Roblox. On the left side, you will find Creations. Click on Creations, which is below Home. After you've clicked on Creations, you'll find My Experiences. Click on it and then click on Your Place. Then at the left side, in Monetization, you will find Passes. Click on Passes. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and then click on Create Pass. After you have clicked on Create a Pass, you can add image to your pass, add name to your pass. You can also add descriptions and then scroll down, click on Create Pass. After you have clicked on Create Pass, your pass will be created. Now, in your pass, click on the pass you just created. After you have clicked on the pass, on the left side you will find Sales. Click on Sales. Scroll down and then turn on Item for Sale. Add the price and then click on Save Changes at the bottom. After you've clicked on Save Changes, you're good to go. This is how to make Gamepass and please donate. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.